Alright, y'all. I don't even know if you can see this. I just dumped like half the bottle of bleach in there. I was saying to get these laundry sheets to dissolve normally in my paste, because I see a lot of people doing it now, I typically put liquid down, put the laundry detergent sheets, and then put a little bit of laundry soap on top of each one to make sure that it dissolves. If you don't typically do that, then they have a hard time dissolving. So right now my laundry sheets are not dissolving as they typically do, because they need to be coated very well. Like, I feel them now starting to dissolve, but they're still looking pretty tough still. Usually they're slimy by now, and they're still holding strong. So, girl boss, here's your white paste. I am going to dump this all right now into my washing machine. All of it. Which means I'm going to probably have plenty of airs come up on my front loader. Because as you can see, I have 2 fluffy big blankets in there. So, I'm just throwing that entire container in there. Let me take this glove off. Extra rinse. I'm gonna go with heavy so that it adds more. And there she goes. That's gonna be an interesting one. I will update you guys when it's done. Thanks for sticking with this very long mini part